Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your YouTube channel. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go and open any browser you want, and you want to simply go ahead and go to youtube.com. And finally, once you are on your youtube.com, on the top right you want to go ahead and click on your account icon right over here, and over here you want to simply go ahead and click on manage your Google account. And finally, on the top you want to simply go ahead and search for delete, and then there is going to be a option which says delete a Google service. Go ahead and click on that, and now it will make you sign in into your account. Go ahead and enter your password. And finally, once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and delete your YouTube, simply click on this trash can icon on your YouTube and your account will be deleted. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.